Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will be checking how to automate our daily services with IFTTT. The possibilities are endless, from something like automating your lights or your calendar to something insane like automating your air purifier or like checking the travel distance between two things and emailing you. So let's start. All you need is like a personal computer, like a PC running Windows, or you could use an iPhone, but we're not doing that tutorial today. Go to IFTTT.com. Automation for business and home. Save time and get more done. It's pretty fun, trust me. You don't need a lot of coding experience to do this. Okay, start today. Let's go. Continue with Google. If you continue with email, that's okay too. Continue in my Google account. Which mobile device do you primarily use? This is important and helps us find you the best applets. You can pick one more than one option. Neither. I don't use iPhone or Android. I use personal computer. Continue. Continue. Automate my home. If you're doing it for business, that's cool too. Not now. Choose one of your favorite services. If you wanna like do that, what you do most work with. Like if you do work with Vice, if you like check Vice cameras, or if you do work with Ring. I'm just gonna skip it because. So you wanna click create. If this, it's basically logic. Like if this happens, then that happens. So we're gonna create a simple applet today. For the first one, you could choose any. For example, I'm not gonna do that, but like if there's a new video on YouTube, notification on your iPhone, or email you. But what we're gonna do today is CNN. Search up CNN. New post on technology. Connect. So if there's a new post on CNN in the technology group, then it'll email you. Connect my account. Continue. Yellow. It won't do anything bad. Okay, so send yourself an email. So then we'll do that. We got a new CNN story. Create action. Then click continue. Finish. Connected. If you don't want one of your applets to work, you can just disconnect it for the time being. This is how you basically create an applet. If you connect this, the logic says if CNN posts a new story, it'll alert you on Gmail that they posted a new story. Now let's create another one. Stocks. Finance. Price rises above. Let's do when price drops below. Connect. Bitcoin stock. Ticker symbol. BTGN. So BTGN is the BTCUSD. So it's known as BTCUSD. No, USD. Price drops below. Let's say this will never happen, but like if it drops below, actually it could happen. 60,000. Create trigger. Let's do some other stock, like Amazon ticker symbol. AMZN. Let's do AMZN. AMZN. What's Amazon's current price? $183. So let's do if it drops below 180. 180. Create trigger. So if the price drops below 180, then notifications widget installed on devices. No, we're just gonna do email then. Search Gmail for the if that. Send yourself an email. Stock name is dropping. Currently priced at price info URL check time. Okay. So it'll say Amazon's stock is dropping. Currently priced at the price via the info URL, then the time it checked. So let's create the action. Continue. If price drops below $180 for Amazon, then send yourself an email from Ayushman.Gilot. So let's do finish. Done. I'm just going to disconnect it because I don't want it to run right now. You can connect it if you want it to run. In the basic, you can just create 2 applets, but by Pro, you can create some more applets for Pro and Pro Plus. Hope you learned something, guys. Remember, this is endless. You can do basically anything. Not just this. This is the most minor example I've ever seen with IFTTT. You could do way more than this. This is not the most minor, really good, but you could do way more. I'll send some tutorials in the description below that I made and maybe I'll find on the internet. Subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe and comment down below what you made. Bye.